Good morning, everybody. This is the information for how to complete the 3.03 Global Weather Patterns activity for 6th grade science. This is your activities or assignment page. Yours looks different than mine because of course I'm the teacher. If you click on Global Weather Patterns, which is your module for this week, you can go through all of the different slides here. There are guided notes there to help you complete your reading for a reason, basically, why you are doing the information that you're doing. Going through each slide, it's going to talk to you about measuring weather and how we measure weather. You've seen some of that information before in elementary school, probably back in 4th grade. Talks about global weather patterns. It talks about El Nino and La Nina, which is a video here for you to watch. That is what your slideshow presentation is going to be about, but you want to go ahead and keep going through the slides so it'll help you understand about what everything else is that you're learning for this week, especially if you're doing those guided notes, okay? We know about different types of precipitation. When you get to the very end of the slideshow, it talks to you about cold fronts and warm fronts. And then it tells you your instructions on the last slide about the global weather patterns activity. What is a big deal about El Nino and La Nina? These events affect weather, food production, water supply, and human health. Use the global weather patterns activity to find out more and organize your work. You will then convey your findings in a slideshow presentation. You are required to cite your sources in your presentation, so make sure you give credit to the original author and/or artist. You will submit your completed activity worksheet and your created slideshow presentation. Be sure to review the grading rubric before you begin. There are 2 places where you can get this information. Here, when you click on the underlined blue words, it will give you the information needed to answer all the questions about El Nino and La Nina. There are diagrams, there are pictures, and then it goes into how you're going to make your presentation. In the email I sent you on Friday, I sent out a copy of a PowerPoint slide for you to use. So I've also put it here in the assignment. So if you go to the assignment submission for global weather patterns and click on it, you'll see directions again up here in the top part of your submission form. Again, it gives you this link to the global weather patterns activity where it shows you lots of additional information about El Nino and La Nina. You will be able to use this for your presentation. The very bottom of this has the information for what you need to include on your 5 slides. If you go back and you click on this blue words that say slideshow presentation, when you open it, it automatically asks you to make a copy. You want to, yes, make a copy. This way, it's already set up for you to complete the slideshow. Slide 1, Introduction. It says you're going to describe El Nino and La Nina in your own words. Add at least 1 image to add interest. You have completed slideshow presentations before in your other classes and also at the elementary school, so maneuvering through these 5 slides and completing them should be simple. Okay, when you're done, you can change the name of this up here to say your name. So maybe I would put mine as Mrs. Whittam, or your name. The last thing that you need to do before you send this slideshow into the submission screen is that you have to share it with me. Okay, you need to come over here to the share button and you need to type in my name so that I can see it. JWHITHAM at g.horrycountyschools.net. Okay, my little picture might show up with my little Bitmoji. You're going to click on it. It will notify me, or you don't have to notify me. Either way is fine. And then you're going to send that. That way, I am able to see your presentation and grade it. If you don't share it with me, I can't give you credit for it because I can't see your presentation. You will then come back here to the Global Weather Patterns page for submission, and you will submit your work. If you have any other questions, please let me know and bring your planned questions of specific questions you have to our Google Meets on Tuesday at 1:30 or on Thursday at 8:30. Thanks, guys.